Hey, good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you. It is Tuesday, the 9th day of April. Had to take a second to see what day it was actually. But hey, we had another really good day today. Overall, we had another profit day on the funded accounts, passed another valuation account. So we'll have another funded account tomorrow that puts our total up to 5 Apex accounts and 1 take profit account. Another big win today is I took a $1,250 payout from Take Profit from this account that I ran up so high yesterday. And that money is already in my bank account. I was super pleased with how fast and easy that payout approval and withdrawal process was. That is incredible. I have to give Take Profit a huge shout out for that. Such an easy system of getting approvals, and then just literally within minutes I had the money in my bank account. So that is really, really awesome. I did give back on that account today. I was up $1,750 in profit on that account again today, and I did give it back. However, I just got fooled. I did not go on revenge. I didn't. It's one of those things. You're going to have that. And over the past, today is Tuesday, Friday, I had a $2,600 profit, or about a $3,000 profit, gave it back. Yesterday I ran up a $2,600 profit. Today I had $1,700 in profit. So it's very obvious that I can run that account up. And when you do that, you also have to understand that there are going to be days when you're going to be wrong and you give back. So I am trading oil some, and I'm also trading ES, and somehow this system is not putting these numbers in right. So today we actually had a $500 net loss on the take profit account. However, this balance is correct. We're still at $1,740 in profit, and because the trailing drawdown stops at 50,000, I still have $1,740 available. So it is what it is. I'm certainly not upset with today. I just got fooled. As a matter of fact, we're here. I might as well just jump in. This was the take profit account. I traded mostly the NQ with that account today. Got a bit of this move down at the 1030 area, and then I really had a big win right here. I had a $1,250 trade coming off of this bottom at the 160 level. This is a key level. If you've watched any of my videos, you know this is a level I've been watching. This level has held up tremendously well. The 160 level as a whole has really held up, and I was really just looking for a bounce off of that and got it absolutely perfectly. So went in there with 2 contracts. Actually, no, I was trading 2 contracts. I got stopped out on my trailing stop here for $10, and then re-entered and got a $1,250 winner. Here's the problem was I gave it back right here. I was looking for this to bounce and go and continue, and I was actually right. It really happened exactly like I anticipated. However, the price action was a little bit sus during that time frame, and my entries were just not very good. My anticipation of what was going to happen was correct. The proper entry was here, and I shorted this instead of going long because I had longed at the top here. We had this little mini pullback. That was about a $1,000 loss, and I was trading 2 contracts. So I mean, when you're trading two minis, there's a lot of risk and there's a lot of reward. And I've done very well with reward, but I've also given back like I did today. So when this broke back out, I thought, okay, now are the moves happening, and I was a little bit too aggressive. I will say that, but there I had another loss, and then I thought, okay, well, this is going to reject now. I'm going to go short. So this was just not very good trading on my behalf. What I should have done was waited for this. Waited for this candle. This wick was really a good signal that, okay, we are going back up, and taking the entry in this area long. I again here longed at the top and had this pullback, took me out for $200 loss. So I just mismanaged this a little bit, and that's why I gave back. So that's why that account's back in the red today. It's okay. It's quite okay. I mean, we took our $1,250 out of it. So I mean, heck, if I didn't take my payout, I would have $53,000 still in that account, or $3,000 in profit. So I'm perfectly fine with this, and I understand what I did wrong. I understand that the entries here, these 2 entries, were not at the optimum space. I was chasing in a sense on both of these, especially with this one. So this was the optimal, and I, because of the losses, had went short, and it was just wrong. So it is what it is. So yeah, I understand that very well. But yeah, looking at the market in general, I did have a meeting this afternoon, and I was kind of periodically glancing at the charts, and I was very frustrated because there was no way to take a trade, but I did watch this move up on the end of the day, and I really feel like I probably could have gotten these accounts back into green. Had a small red day on this one Apex account, $40 loss, which is really nothing. And then, like we talked about, that $500 loss. But the rest of the accounts I did very, very well. Looking at the spreadsheet that I've shared with you guys, and there's a link in the description if you're new and you want to use this spreadsheet. But PA 30, we needed 174 today. We had 300. We needed 250 on 31. We had 290. We needed 387 on 32, and unfortunately that's the one that we're at $40 negative. We needed 261 on 33. We had 340. And the take profit I really should kind of take out, because I'm at the point now where if I have a profit, I'm probably going to take it. I paid myself $12.50 today, so I may allow the count to run up a little bit before I take another payout. But in any case, so that's overall, we had a really good day. I'm very happy with today. Very happy with how today went. There was definitely opportunity here at the end of the day, and I just couldn't capitalize. So looking at ES, I took some trades with ES, not a lot, and unfortunately didn't do too well. The ones we're looking at here are on PA 30, 302 in profit, but the ES trades that I'm showing here were all losers, unfortunately. Well, mostly losers. They're pretty much one small winner. But anyway, I was really looking for the bounce, and we were just in this range, as we can see on ES. There was some opportunity here at the 35s, and there was also opportunity up here at the 265s. We had this drop down, and there was some opportunity here. I just wasn't that happy with ES today. Oil, I did trade some in oil here at the bottom end of the market. I felt like this might be continuing on down. Had some winning trades, had some losing trades, had a really nice couple trades here, 160 and a 210. A couple of nice trades, and here I gave back on one, kind of looking for a breakout that never happened, so a bit of an anticipation trade there. But yeah, today was just there wasn't that much to trade, honestly. Today was not that great in oil, wasn't that great on the ES for me. The best trading for me really was on NQ, and yeah, it is what it is. Today was just one of those days. It was I feel like it was a bit of a ho-hum day. I don't really feel like I had that good of a day, and yet I had $300 across pretty much all the PA accounts. And yeah, so good thing, passed that eval that I worked on, started that account yesterday, passed it today. I passed it this morning soon after the open. Let's just take a look at that. I believe that was on NQ. I'm almost certain it was. Yep, right here. I went in with two contracts, or I forget, maybe it was only one, but basically 1470, which brought that account up into profit. So did I take an early? No, I didn't take any early trades. It was just those two trades. Oh, this was a 295 loser. That's it. Okay. So I lost on my initial thought. And I remember this now. I might as well talk about it. So we were bumping up against this 400 level as the market opened, and I felt quite strongly that it would reject. Just largely because of how it had held overnight. We really didn't get close to it, and I just felt quite strongly with the price action, the way this market was in pre-market, that this was going to reject. I went short, was wrong, lost 295. I went short again. I had a better entry point, and then I caught the 1470 win to bring this account up into pass status. So I'm very happy with how I managed that. I really could have traded my PA accounts in this. I mean, we had a couple opportunities here to short at the high, and so yeah. So anyway, that is that. Looking into tomorrow, we do have news tomorrow. Tomorrow and Thursday, and I know you can't see it because of my little things here on my screen, but tomorrow we have news at 10:30. There's a press conference, high impact. We have, I thought there was more stuff. BOC monetary, there's a couple BOC statements, reports, whatever, at 9:45. And yeah, the big one is going to be at 8:30. We have core CPI news, so that is 100% going to move the markets. And then we follow that up with Thursday. We have core PPI news 8:30. So the next 2 days are going to be crazy in the pre-market 8:30 time frame. So I'll be very curious to see what this does. Obviously, we've fallen into this lower channel. We were trading in this higher channel from about March 21st until the first part of April here last week. And then we've kind of fallen down, and now we're in this channel here with the 400 level and the 225, 230 range. So very curious to see. I really have no way of knowing what this is going to do. This news tomorrow could move this market back up. It also could move it back down. We're kind of on a trend going down. Again, could be kind of, you could look at some of this as bull flags. So who knows? But we'll be watching that. We'll see what those levels are. I'm obviously not going to be trading news with funded accounts, but I may purchase another Apex eval and see if I can pass one on that news. So we'll see how that goes. On the ES side, kind of the same thing. We're in this channel here. We've been in this channel for a little while. And yeah, kind of looking for, if we go higher, do these levels hold, or do we break and retest and go long? Likewise, if this breaks down, do these levels down low, do they hold, and we go back long, or do they fall apart and we go short? So those are just kind of my general thesis. I'm trading support resistance levels and looking for breaks and retests. I really like to trade I like to short and long off levels rather than being in the middle. And I think that's really kind of what hurt me today, is I took some trades in the middle, especially in oil. I was just taking some trades in the middle. Some of them were a little bit of a chasey type trade. Here I was kind of looking for this to retest. That was what prompted this short entry in oil here. We had this move down, we came back up, and I was looking at this prior low, and I felt like that's a great short opportunity, and it was. That was probably the best trade of the day for me on oil. The other ones weren't really too much to talk about. I mean, a couple, small little losers, but in any case. So we'll see what oil does. Again, I'd like to see it come and bounce off this level in this 84.50 range, or see something up here at the 87.20s. Those are kind of the levels that I really want to see us get to, and then that's really where the bulk of the trading for me is going to take place. So anyway, that's where we're at. That's what we're looking at. And once again, had a good day. I'm very happy with, I didn't even show you TradeZella. Definitely want to look at that. Today, as a net on the funded accounts, we look at 167 in profit, so really kind of a break-even day. But that's okay. Had a great day yesterday and kind of a break-even day today. At least we didn't go red across the board. So yeah, slowly building this back up, and hopefully we can continue 2 green days here, Monday and Tuesday. Hopefully we can finish the week strong and stay green. It would be nice to put a green week together once again, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, overall, pretty good day. Hope you had a great day as well. Appreciate you guys, my regulars that are commenting. I certainly appreciate you folks. Also, just again want to thank you for the use of my codes, whether it's with Apex and the awesome 80% discount 1-day pass that they're doing for this whole month. It's just quite an incredible promo, and it's awesome when you're trading, just like this account. I traded yesterday, got about $2,000 in profit, and finished it off today. So 2 days, but still, it's nice to know that you can do that in a short time frame. It's really awesome, and that 80% sale is fantastic. Also, Take Profit, really nice special with their 50% off, so code BCT always gets you the best deal there. And thank you for using my codes. I really do appreciate it. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. I try to do these videos every day and take you along on my journey as we continue to build on our profits. And we are now at 11,250 in payouts for the year of 2024. And we have missed the month of February. That is it. So good start to the year. Hopefully we can build upon that and see if we can arrive closer to our payout goal of 80,000 for the year 2024. So 1 day at a time. We'll see if we can get there. All right. I will be quiet. Thanks again. Appreciate y'all. Have a great night, and we'll have another update for you tomorrow. So long.